you, I am back with another haul, another Hallmark shirt. Same thing, just different color. Okay. Walmart. Welcome to my Walmart haul. And the majority of this is for the tree and some things I'm making for DIYs. But I want to get everything out so I don't have to be going back, and I should have done this first. Walmart has a lot of cute stuff for the tree and decorating. And all of, well, I shouldn't say all, have some adorable, and I'm telling you, everything I got for the tree and to decorate with and to do some DIYs, $1.98. So cute. So let's start with the lanterns, okay? 3 of them, and they are embellished with a little ribbon and some berries. They are too cute. Then, because in my formal living room, I decorate with all kinds of Santas, and then I do a hot cocoa bar in that area of the house, but look at this. You guys, come on. And it's got the real fur, you know, the white fur, and then the boot is really pretty velvet. And then look at all of the little berries and the little pick in here. $1.98. I mean, how adorable. Isn't that adorable? Then look at these little, look at this little owl. This one was $2.48. Look how pretty. I'm going to put that into my, I think I'm putting this into my family room as well with the snowmen, because it's all more of the snowy type theme, you know what I mean? Look at this squirrel, $1.98. Look at him. Look at that face, look at that tail, $1.98. So cute. Look at this one. And I might put this in my 3-tier. I don't know yet. This was, yep, $1.98. Letter to Santa. And you can put something in it. You guys, $1.98, seriously. And it's metal. So cute. And then look at this one. And you see this everywhere, but I still think it's cute. Farm Fresh Trees. And it looks like a tag. That was $1.98. Look at these. Mucklucks. And they're fur. They're so soft. Look at those. Cute. Then I got some of these, and I'll put these into my decorating. And these were 98 cents at Walmart. I wanted to get a okay, you won't understand this until I show you in my home tour or when I put it together. But I wanted to get a candle ring, okay? And I cannot find, they used to have them when they were little enough. But now they're, I don't know, they're either way big and they're not going to be able to work for what I want them for. So I got 4 of these, but they have a little clip on the bottom, and it's going to work perfect for what I want to do. And like I said, you'll understand when you see it, it'll all make sense. So I got 4 of those. Yeah, 4 of those. Okay. Then 3 of these snowman hats. And I'm going to be making more snowman hats. Last year, if you remember right, I made them. I made the one out of the big, oh shoot, what was in it? Spackle, I think. Ornaments and embellishments and little things that I'm going to be using in my decor. And then these 2 little Christmas trees, which were $1.98 a piece. And these are going to go perfect with my Christmas trees that I got from at home. And then while I'm doing this haul, I'll show you what I ordered. And this came from, oh shoot, Collections. Oh, it's a catalog. You know, everybody gets it. You know, everybody gets that one. Doggone it. What is the name of it? Is it on here? No. Well, I'll put it in the description box below. But I got 2 of these for my kitchen. And then the last thing I wanted to show you, I ordered these, and this was from, I saw these and I thought, oh my gosh, how cute. So I opened up one to look. And these were, I think, $9.99. Look at that. Is that, it's a braided rug, and it's nice. Oh, Collections, etc. Collections, etc. But look at that. And I got 2 of them, one to put in front of the sink and then one to put in front of my stove. Is that going to be adorable with my gingerbread and peppermint theme? So cute. So that is my haul from Walmart and from Collections, etc. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my haul. I can't wait to show you what I do with all this. And we're going to be doing DIYs, and you'll see some of this in my DIYs. Back, I have one more Hobby Lobby haul. I think this is the last Hobby Lobby haul for Christmas. I'm pretty sure. So I want to get everything out because they wrapped everything so nicely for me. I'll just unwrap it together. Okay. So I love retro, and they have these little kids, okay? And I got the little girl. I think she is so cute. And she's supposed to be singing. She's a little caroler. And here is the little boy. They'll go into the living room where all my Santas are. But aren't they cute? I think they are so precious. And they were $12.99 normally, half off. So I got 2 for the price of 1. Got another one of my peppermints because these really go good in faux food. And then I have this garland. I had the bigger one, and I don't know if you're going to see this one first or the other one first. Nevertheless, one of them is a big garland, and then this is a small. So I thought that was pretty. And this was $9.99, half off. Got this sign, North Pole Bakery, and it's got the gingham. I thought that was really cute. That was $5. Then I got a girl and boy gingerbread cookie for my tree in the kitchen. I thought those were really cute. Don't you think those are cute? Holding the little hearts, and she's holding the hearts and he's holding the stars. Cute. So that is my little Hobby Lobby haul. Until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.